We are going to talk about how to understand your ESITY profile once you get approved. This is what you see when you sign in to your profile. First, you see your dashboard. On the dashboard, you can find an overview of your work in the past 60 days, the number of students you have worked with, the number of lessons you have taught, what you have been paid, and what you have to be paid. Under that, there are actions required. Usually there are some upcoming lessons. So where you click here, you are going straight to your online class. Then upcoming lessons are also in this part, and recent lessons are lessons that are already finished. In the overview, you see all this information in graphs. And in my profile, you can see your profile and change your profile. In actions, edit profile. You can also set your availability only through this place. You cannot set your availability through the calendar. There you can only see your classes that are awaiting you. Here you set whether you are available or not and when. So you can always change your availability. Make sure there is always some availability in the system. If there's nothing there, then you will not get any lessons. Under the dashboard, there are payment orders, which means your monthly payments. In the calendar, you can see your lessons. There are upcoming lessons, canceled lessons, lessons that are for you and your students. Available courses are the courses that you can apply for if you want to get a new student. All new students are here. So there are inquiries, for example, which you can apply for. So let's see this inquiry from Dalia, for example. You can see more information here, but the overview is here, etc. So if I want to apply, I will click apply now and tell why am I the right person doing this. Save, and you have applied. If you want to filter these, you can filter the ones where you are fully qualified. So current applications are the applications that you already sent. My courses is the overview of all your courses that you are teaching. The client is the parent or company owner who pays. The students are those who take the classes. So usually there are children or employees. And the tutor rate is the rate that you get paid for one class there. You can add lesson through here. If you have a course and you want to add new lessons, you can do it directly through this plus button. Let's click on one course from this. So here you can see the overview of the whole course, the summary, pay rate, location is the same as online integration, which room it is in. In actions, you can put some label on it. So if the first lesson was completed a long time ago, we don't need it there. Cap limit is for group classes, and job finish or new student, whatever you want to have there. You are not to select online integration because there we have two rooms and then there is your Zoom room. So this is done usually by administrators. Set status to finished when the course is finished, and view course reports when you want to see the reports. So there is the course description here. In the course description, you will always find links to teaching materials, and some information that are needed. There are also usually some how-to videos about how to use this course material if you are going to teach it for the first time. Then who is the student, who is the client, and that you are a tutor. Overview of lessons. If you want to see more lessons, you view more info about the lessons. You can also add new lessons through here. And some documents that are both for you and the student are here. You can upload here anything you want the student to have. It is meant for files. In the activity of the course, you can basically see the lessons that took place and that are planned. Next are my reports. Every time you finish a lesson, you are asked to fill in the report for the lesson. In the report, you usually say what you did, how the student was doing, and the report is seen by both the parents, students, or company owners. For example, this is a report from one lesson. When I click on it, it says, how was it? Expenses we are not using. This is mainly for on-site classes if you have some traveling expenses, but all our classes are online, so we are not using this. Documents are anything that you are uploading for your students in the documents section, so you can see all your documents here at one place. Launch Zoom is your own Zoom class. If you don't have it there, you need to add it by clicking here. If it is there, it will take you to Zoom. If it is not there, it will ask you to add your own Zoom class. So you definitely should do that because short classes, which take 25 minutes, are done through your own Zoom account. It is a free Zoom account that you can set here. If you by any chance own a paid account, please let us know because you can also use it for longer classes, which take 50 minutes or 1 hour. We only use it for short classes because for free accounts, it only allows you to have 40-minute session, which would be too short for 50-minute classes and it would kick you out. So we only use it for short classes. And that's it. This is the whole overview. Thank you for your time and happy teaching. Goodbye.